In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert background music in a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you want a soundtrack that plays across your entire deck or a quick clip on a single slide, I'll walk you through the essentials. First, open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. To bring music in, go to the Insert tab at the top of the window, choose Audio, and then click Audio on my PC. Navigate to your music file, select it, and click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This represents the audio you just added. If you want music to play automatically across your whole presentation, click that audio icon to select it, then switch to the Playback tab. Set Start to automatically, so the track begins without you clicking anything. Next, turn on Play Across Slides to keep the music going as you move from slide to slide. If you'd like it to repeat, check Loop until stopped. That way, longer talks won't run out of background sound. Finally, enable Hide During Show, so the speaker icon is invisible during the slideshow. Your audience hears the music but won't see the control on the slide. If you prefer music on just one slide, use the same insert steps, select the audio icon, and go back to the Playback tab. Set Start to automatically if you want it to begin as soon as that slide appears, or choose On Click if you'd rather trigger it yourself during the presentation. This time, do not select Play Across Slides. The audio will start and stop on that single slide only, which is perfect for a title slide or a specific moment you want to highlight. You can also tidy up the track so it fits your timing. With the audio icon selected, open the Playback tab and click Trim Audio. In the Trim Audio window, choose the start and end times to remove silence at the beginning or cut out any extra length at the end. While you're here, adjust volume if needed so the music supports your message without overpowering your voice or on-screen content. A quick reminder, make sure you're using music you have the rights to use and consider audience accessibility by keeping volume moderate. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.